I guess one of the questions that remain with me is, how will the jury look at the fact that he did go into the house and get a gun, get a knife, without any real knowledge? I mean, he knew they were coming, but without any real knowledge of what they were coming to do or whether they had any weapons.
I think the prosecution, they just whiffed on this one, right? If you notice in the redirect, he didn't. The prosecutor didn't really ask any more follow-up questions. I think they whiffed on this whole entire thing. They could seem that they could feel that this case is slipping from their grasp, and they're grasping for something, but they're not. They don't. They're like rudderless in this case. And even the prior witness, the son, his testimony was terrible. He wasn't sequestered properly. Kid that you see walking up on the camera right now, the prosecution is doing the best they can with terrible facts, but they still have a whole entire clan of people on video getting out of trucks and bicycles, walking into a kid's garage. The kid looks like he weighs $150, right? He looks like he weighs half the father's weight, right? And so now the prosecution is trying to convince a jury that this kid, the kid in the suit right now on camera, actually murdered the people who murdered the aggressors. So I think they're just grasping. There's nothing else they can do. They can't just leave the courtroom and say, we're done. So they have to scrap for every piece of information they can.
Yeah, I would have to agree with you, and I think it is slipping from their hands. There is a narrative, Michael, they're trying to get out there that I don't think is coming across very well.